These are the elevators at the Marriott Hotel in Round Rock, Texas. Let's go to 8. Here's the Marriott Club Lounge. Let's go down to 1. Cab view. So, this used to be an Elevonic 411, Otis Elevonic 411, but was modernized sometime recently. In fact, the motor still sounds a lot like an Elevonic 411.
First floor.
It could be that they still have the original buttons, or excuse me, still have the original motor, but replace the buttons, and probably the cab too. So, our elevator's coming down. I'll cut to when we get. Let's get a look at a hallway while we're here.
Going down.
Let's go to 1. 3,000 pound capacity.
First floor.
Says Otis right here.